Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Easy Out kit. This handy tool helps you remove stubborn, broken, or stripped fasteners with ease. It's designed for situations where a standard screwdriver or wrench won't work, saving you time and frustration. We'll cover everything from preparation to successful extraction, ensuring you can tackle those tricky repairs confidently. Before you begin, select the correct extractor size. It should be slightly smaller than the broken fastener's diameter. Next, using a drill bit, create a pilot hole directly in the center of the broken fastener. This hole provides a starting point for the extractor and is crucial for a successful removal. Ensure the hole is deep enough for the extractor to grip properly. Now, firmly insert the Easy Out extractor into the pilot hole you just drilled. Apply steady, downward pressure as you slowly turn the extractor counterclockwise. The extractor's reverse threads will bite into the fastener, allowing you to unscrew it. Be patient and maintain consistent pressure to avoid further damage. The fastener should begin to back out smoothly. For particularly stubborn or rusted fasteners, apply a penetrating oil and let it soak for a few minutes before attempting extraction. Always use a tap wrench or a similar tool for turning the extractor, as this provides better leverage and control than pliers. Remember to apply steady, even pressure throughout the process. With these tips, you'll successfully remove those difficult fasteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.